Hi, and welcome to 5-Minute Chemistry with Always Eclectic Stacy. We're working on the covalent bond series, and we're doing name to formula, the second example in this video. Let's get writing. Hi, and welcome back to Always Eclectic Stacy. We're taking the names of covalent compounds and converting them into chemical formulas. Now, if you've been watching this series for a while, this is the time where you pause and see if you can get the same answer I do. And if you're new to this series, I'm going to recommend you go ahead and review the video on common non-metallic roots and Greek prefixes so that you can help or understand what is going on, or you could just jump right in because who wants to cannonball with me? Now, the first thing I always do, is go ahead and identify which Greek prefix number or which number goes with each element. Now we're looking at the first element here, sulfur. It is written one time and there's no prefix on it. So we know, especially for that first element, it's going to be the number 1 with sulfur. For the second element, we're going to look at that Greek prefix di here. And di means 2. So 2 goes with di. So now we have 1 and 2. Now what we're going to do is pull out our periodic tables and look for the element name that we're given and relate it to a chemical symbol. So sulfur, the chemical symbol for sulfur is S. So we're going to write that right underneath. Now, remember, for that second element, we're really not going to look for the element symbol. We're going to look for that root. So after di, I'm going to kind of put a little thing here. It's oxide. And so that root of oxide is ox, always that part before the I. So it becomes ox. So you're going to look for this chemical or the element that starts with OX, or if you're reviewing your common non-metallic roots, ox becomes oxygen and it goes with the chemical symbol O. Now we're going to put it all together. So we're going to start with S. So it's going to become S, and we do not write the 1 as the suffix or the subscript because we've already written 1 S. Then you're going to go ahead and write O, and you're going to write a subscript of 2. And remember, sub means underneath. Think subterranean or a subway. It goes under, so it's going to be SO₂. Sulfur dioxide becomes SO₂. Thank you so much for watching Always Eclectic Stacy. If you liked this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day.